Moving a YouTube channel can feel like performing open-heart surgery on your digital life. Today, I am going to show you how to move your channel to a separate new Gmail account and transfer ownership. For that, you need a brand account. Go to your profile picture, click it, and select Switch Account. Select the one you want to move. We're going to use this Cybertech Pal channel to move it to a new Gmail account I've already created. Once on the account, click the profile picture again, select YouTube Studio from the drop-down menu, then navigate to Settings and select Permissions. Here you can see all your current accounts with permissions. If you see that line on this page, you already have a brand account. If you do not see it, you are in a Google account and need to convert it to a brand account first. Now this is very important. You see a prompt to opt out of studio permissions to use brand permissions. Click it and confirm. Everyone who had access to your account will lose it and needs to be re-added to the new brand account. Read it carefully and opt out now. You will get prompted to verify that it is you, so go through the process and confirm it. As you see, it is so sensitive that they are verifying it twice before letting you change account permissions. Now your permissions page should have changed to this, and here you can give only for YouTube Studio permissions or for the entire brand account. Now click on Manage Permissions, and again, we need to verify it is us. Finally, now we can make the new owner and whoever else you want to the brand account. So let's use my new email and assign it as owner role. I will also add my manager here, and in the meantime, I will accept the invitation sent to the new Gmail address. Now that everyone is added, click Save. Now you see the profile picture of the account I accepted the invitation has changed. It's not a random picture anymore. Now you can choose to make the new account the primary owner. You will see this prompt, read it, and if you agree, just click Transfer. Google has a security cooling off period of 7 days. You gotta wait. You are now a co-owner, but you aren't the boss yet. You cannot become the primary owner immediately. After 7 days, log in with the original account, go back to Manage Permissions, and change the new email's role from owner to primary owner. Once the new account is the primary owner, you can remove the old email address entirely. That's it for today's tutorial. Thanks for watching.